The A6 is a passive two-way system and houses 3 transducers, including 2 6.5-inch woofers and a 3-inch compression driver. The 2 differential drive 6.5-inch woofers are supported by large slipstream ports, providing ample low-frequency support, allowing the system to remain linear under any conditions. The innovative high-frequency section integrates the compression driver, phasing plug, and waveguide into a unified device. The 3-inch non-metallic annular diaphragm reduces mass and improves high-frequency extension, while the V-shaped geometry reduces breakup modes which cause distortion and time smear. This unified component shares the same materials and design as other A-series line arrays, providing common voicing across the family. The A6 acoustic design is centered around the radiation boundary integrator technology, which places all the transducers on a single unified horn. The projection apertures of the RBI control the spacing between the woofers and improve the low-frequency horizontal directivity by ensuring a proper acoustic transition between low and high drivers. The simple passover-crossover network and a pin selection switch minimize wiring requirements and allow for easy selection of the desired channel from the NL4 cable. Up to 16 A6 speakers can be driven from a single 4-channel amplifier. The A6 uses the same patented auto-locking rigging system as the larger A12 and A8 and includes positions ranging from half a degree all the way up to 15 degrees. The angles are pre-selected when the cabinets are still on the ground simply by presetting the pin to the desired position. When the array is lifted, the internal locking mechanism automatically secures the array to the selected angles.